farms, and we are doing our evening chores. We're coming to feed the goats and Max, and as you can hear, the goats are very, very hungry. So we're going to go on in and feed them.
And you just kill all the goats.
Hello, my goldies. Look at you.
And Max is very eager to see people.
Hi, Max. Come on, Max.
So we feed Max mainly first, while Daddy's going to do that. My mom always loves on the dog, and we always start with this side and then go to the other side. So, and we'll show you how we do the baby chicks, the meat chicks, but first we come down and do these goats.
Come on, Sally. Come on, Sally.
They always start over there and then we go over here.
Come on.
And they go through that little hole right here. There's always a cat close with them. Hi, ducks!
Look at them tongues go. Like a vacuum cleaner. They are some kind of addicted to sweet feed.
Now, here are the ducks. We should have brought some bread down for them.
Hey, quackers.
You can see they've already nastied their water. You talking, ducks? I got their little feeder, so it looks like they're good. See you later, quackers.
Olivia, run Chippy back out.
Chippy! Chippy! Okay. Oh! Go back in. Now let's go check on Max. And he loves to jump on people, so. Max! Max!
He's eating.
Say hi! Say hi! Okay.
We love you, Max. Bye, goaties.
So the goats are done.
Bye, goaties. We'll see you
And now we're on to the
Bye,
baby
goaties.
chicks.
Olivia,
What?
can you run up there and get me a card? No.
Yeah. Run! Run, Forrest, run!
Yeah, we'll come back and do the meat chickens when it gets dark and they go to roost on their own.
But I'll show you
It
the
gets
baby
a little
chicks.
more dark anyways.
You can see that they're roaming. Roaming big time.
That's good. They're out here in the grass, free ranging,
I'm trying not to touch this, but
getting all those good nutrients from the ground.
I'm going to try not to touch that.
It won't take you long to look at it if you do.
I know.
Let's take a real quick stroll over here and look at the potatoes.
I think I know that. You can hear the vibration.
Walk over here, Olivia, and look at the turnip greens. They're doing better than I thought.
They are. Right here, especially. Good little tap.
They're looking really good.
And right here, Olivia, Those are the potato plants coming up.
Thanks to Nally and Bailey, we now have enough
We
food
have
that's
several.
growing.
We'll step over here so we don't step on the turnip greens. But there's some more.
If y'all want a closer look at this one, you can really tell.
Pretty good.
Now, if you think that we need to, we can always get some more and just kind of plant them in between where we've got places that they're not coming up, you know, that they're kind of missing.
Yeah.
But I think some of them are still coming up because I
Mhm.
mean we've got pretty good
Yeah.
coverage
Bye, Max.
for something that was going to rot. Remember?
Yeah. I know.
So these are turnip greens?
Yep.
Doing pretty good.
When you're turning, Olivia, you got to be easy and slow.
Yeah.
It'll make people sick trying to watch it if you move it too quick. So those are our potato plants. To give you an idea of how tall they are, they're my finger width or length. That's probably the biggest plant that we have. We got some that are
We got a few
just
down
coming
there
up out of the ground.
We got a few down there that are
Yeah,
competing
there's
with
one
it.
more that's,
Yep.
similar.
And like this one right here,
That's a weed.
that is.
Oh, but that's a
But-
little one.
That's a little bitty
Yes.
one. That's just one knuckle. So
Trying to get all the weeds out.
yep. And look at all these rocks.
Hey, I didn't have much to work with.
Well, you got plenty to work with now. We need to come down through here and pick all the rocks up. And then
Bobby.
we need to put the cultivator on and go around them to kind of knock the weeds and stuff up. And then as they get bigger, we're going to get one of the hillers and hill the dirt up to them. So, all right, guys, we'll real quick take a look at the bees, and then that'll be it for this evening
I
until
better not get stung.
we come back and put the baby meat birds up. We'll let them stay out as long as they want. You're right, Laura. There are bees coming in and out of that other hive. So we tried to do a split into that other one because we lost those other two hives.
Yeah.
And there are bees coming and going from it. I need to get in there and check it.
Yes.
Did you get stung?
But no, I did not get stung. But I had one run into me and it made me think. Matthew burnt my shirt.
No.
Y'all say where Matthew burnt my shirt.
I had nothing to do with it.
Sure.
He
So-
was the one playing in the fire.
We need to get some more
You
sugar
better sit
water.
on the couch because he's gonna pee in the bed tonight because he was playing
We
in
need-
the fire.
We need more sugar water, Matthew.
Yes, we'll do that tomorrow.
So when we come back here in a little bit,
Is that a big old wasp down in there?
yeah, there are some bees, and that is a wasp.
Is he alive or is he dead? Oh, he's alive. He says hello. You're interrupting. Oh,
He's dead now.
I don't know. He looks still good.
Knock him off.
How about y'all just go?
How about we run?
All right, you hear that?
Yeah.
That's the electric fence hitting the ground. So
What's that little stray coming up?
it's just a little wire that needs to be cut off. So anyways, who put the water out there?
I did because I thought we were doing them now. And it needed to be done.
Well, all right. All right, guys.
That's the end
We'll
of the
talk to you
video.
later.